The pursuit of money is real self-actualization. Let me explain. What is money? Money is value changing hands. Before we had money, as in the US dollar that we all know, or wherever you're from, the currency that we all know currently is just a medium of value created by governments. And I'm not going to get into like economics like bonds and borrowing and interest rates and shit like that. But before money or currency, we had bartering for goods and services, right? We had seashells, we had like spices, we had like precious metals, and gold is still used to hold a store of value today. And it really just comes down to scarcity. And the pursuit of money being self-actualization, what I mean by that is the only way you can get money and get a lot of it is by providing massive value. And what do we humans want innately? We want to be valuable. We want to provide value. We want to have fulfilling work. And money and this pursuit of money is just in such alignment with what humans want inherently. We want status. We want to feel like better than other humans. Like that sounds messed up when you say it out loud, but like that's what we want. Like that is how our brains operate. Like we've evolved to want to be in a position of power. And money lets you have that position of power, lets you control. Power is really just the ability to do what you want when you want. Like the freedom to not be tied down. And the only way to do that is just like by pure, like amazing, like I love that this is what money is. It's just value, providing value, and you will get paid for the amount of value that you provide. And I see a lot of propaganda. I don't know what it is, but it's like the demonization of money. Like if you like money, like they look at you weird or something. Like I don't know what it is. Like I think people don't understand what money is. I think people just see money and they see our like insert X government, and insert X government is bad. You know, insert X government is corrupt. But it's a medium of exchange, and maybe I will. Like let's get into Bitcoin. It's a fixed supply asset. So the whole reason why gold was I'm getting off task. But maybe I'll do that in the next video. But that's mainly what I want to touch on, is that money is just a store of value, and you should not feel bad about it for chasing that money, getting that bag. That's the main message that I wanted to insert into this video, is because it's really common for the majority of people to demonize money. Is because it comes from a place of lack. I believe it comes from a place of lack. It comes from a place of identity, and that's what keeps people broke. So if you want to get rich, you first have to change your beliefs. If this is your belief, change your belief that money is bad, and believe that money is providing value, because it is. Because you can't make money without providing value in a sustainable way. Asterisk. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much for the support, and I want to see you win. Let's connect in the Discord below. Peace.